My name is Saurabh Kumar and I am currently pursuing BCA, and my friend Krishna Kamdar currently pursuing BTech from Golgotia University. Today, we are excited to present my project Mindspace, an AI-driven digital mental health support platform designed especially for students. As many students faces stress, anxiety, and emotional challenges but hesitate to seek help due to stigma or lack of access of professional supports. MindAspect aims to bring the gap by offering confidential, accessible, and intelligent mental health assistance through a single platform. This provides 24/7 AI-powered emotional support, real-time mood detection, personalized recommendations, and direct access to counselor and peer support group. The platform also ensures privacy with end-to-end encryption and secure authentication. Space integrate multiple technologies like TensorFlow.js and CNN model for real-time emotion detection, NLP model for chatbot conversation, and crisis identification. Node.js, Express, and MongoDB for backend services, React for the frontend, JWT authentication, encryption, and secure APIs for data protection. The future, Mindspace will expand by adding voice emotion detection, regional language support, AI generated wellness plans, and campus wide mental health analytics for institutions. We are plan to integrate wearable device data for more accurate emotion insight. Thank you for watching. Mindspace is a step toward making mental health support more accessible, immediate, and stigma free for students across India. Thank you.